What's going on YouTube? CEO in the making, back with another video, and today we're going to be checking out the Soundcore Life Q30 active noise canceling headphones. At the moment, I truly believe that dollar for dollar, pound for pound, these are the best active noise canceling headphones that money can buy. The price comes in at 80 bucks, so naturally most people would coin these as the best active noise canceling headphones under 100 bucks. But once you consider just the sheer value and everything that you're getting for what you pay, I think these are the best active noise canceling headphones on the market. Now don't get me wrong, I'm not saying that these headphones are better than some of the higher end Bose or Sony ANC headphones, but the overall features and quality that Soundcore has managed to deliver at such an affordable price is really impressive. So stay tuned, we're going to cover all the details here in this video to hopefully help you guys decide if these are a good option for you. Also, after you watch this video, if you're interested in grabbing a pair, be sure to check out the affiliate links down in the description and feel free to check out the timestamps down there as well. So inside the box, the headphones come with this gray soft shell carrying case. You can see you got some branding located in the middle, and as long as you're not being overly reckless, the case should have no problems keeping your headphones safe. On the inside, you have a spot for the headphones, and then on the other side, you can see you got some pockets to house your accessories. Speaking of accessories, you're getting a USB Type A to USB Type C charging cable, a 3.5mm audio cable, and of course your usual paperwork and instructions. Taking a look at the headphones, for the price, the overall build quality and design is pretty impressive. Despite being primarily plastic, the headphones don't feel cheap. As you can see, the headphones do fold, and on the side of the ear cup you've got a nice gold Soundcore logo, which adds a nice touch. The ear cups also rotate about 90 degrees, which is going to help for storage. The headband provides some good clamp force, and it looks to be made out of a brushed metal type material, and of course it's fully adjustable to help you find the best and most comfortable fit. The protein leather ear cups are extremely soft, and they feature memory foam padding, which is going to help in terms of your overall comfort. Although it's not real leather, it still feels really good, and on top of that it looks good as well. Towards the bottom of the ear cups is where you have your controls. Nothing too special here, just some ordinary plastic buttons that unfortunately do make a clicking sound whenever you press them. But for the price, to me this isn't really a huge deal. So on the right side you have your volume controls, your play and pause, as well as your 3.5mm audio jack. On the left side you have your noise cancellation button, your power button, and your USB Type-C charging port. So the headphones are running Bluetooth 5.0, and they're also NFC compatible. So if you have an NFC compatible phone, you can take the back of your phone and place it up against the headphones and they will automatically connect. As far as battery life, these headphones are best in class with roughly 40 hours on a single charge. The 1000 XM4 come in at 30 hours and the Bose 700 come in at only 20 hours. Shout out to the homie El Jefe, who actually confirmed that the battery life on the Q30s far exceeds that 40-hour mark, both with ANC on as well as off. So for these headphones to have the best battery life between any budget or premium ANC headphones is really impressive. The Q30s also feature fast charge, so if the headphones are completely dead, just 5 minutes of charging will give you roughly 4 hours of listening time. Another impressive feature of the Q30s is multi-point connection. So you can connect the headphones with up to 2 devices at the same time, and the headphones will switch between devices depending on which one is playing audio. So if you want to be connected to your phone as well as your laptop, you can switch back and forth between the two without having to go into your Bluetooth settings and disconnect to one before you connect to the other. As far as codecs, these support SBC as well as AAC, so unfortunately no aptX. But when it comes to watching videos and movies, there isn't really any noticeable audio lag or delay. But let's go ahead and do a test to see how they perform. So when it comes to the fit, these headphones are definitely comfortable. The clamp force gives a nice even amount of pressure without feeling too tight, and the ear cups really do a great job of forming to the shape of your ears. So I think these will be a great choice if you're planning to wear them for extended periods of time. Now, keep in mind that I do have smaller ears, so if you have larger ears, this may change your experience, but overall, I think the headphones feel great. Now, as far as the sound quality, these headphones feature 40mm drivers, which do deliver some big sound. Straight out of the box, they give you some nice intense bass, but I do feel like the mids and highs could be balanced a little bit better. Now, that's somewhat of a moot point since the headphones are fully compatible with the Soundcore app. Within the app, you have access to a number of different EQ settings as well as the ability to create your own. The 40mm drivers have some really dynamic range, which is going to help you get pretty much the sound that you're looking for. So if you want deep, hard-hitting bass, or if you want to scale the bass back and focus more on crystal clear mids and highs, the EQ within the app will allow you to do that. The max volume on these is also plenty loud, so all things considered, I'm pretty confident that you can get the sound that you're looking for out of these headphones. The Soundcore app is also going to help you stay up to date on your firmware, and there's even a sleep mode which allows you to create different soundscapes to help you relax. So you can listen to sounds like rainfall, birds chirping, ocean waves crashing, along with a few others. The really cool part is that you can come up with your own combination of the sounds. So if you want to hear rain with birds chirping along the ocean, you can do that. And I think this is the first app that I've come across that allows you to listen to multiple sounds at one time. Jabra has something similar within their app, but I believe you can only choose one sound at a time. Now let's go ahead and talk about the active noise cancellation. So the headphones have 3 different ANC modes, which you can access within the app. The 3 modes are indoor, outdoor, and transport. I love the idea that the different modes are designed to target different frequencies based on your environment. As far as effectiveness, I found that the transport mode as well as the indoor mode canceled out the most noise, and the ANC on these is really impressive. It's by far the best ANC that I've tested under $100. Now, if you were to pair these up side by side with a pair of Sony 1000XM4s or the Bose 700s, you're going to notice a difference. But again, going back to the idea of overall value, these are off the charts. Now, one of the few negatives with these headphones is that the sound quality will change when you activate the noise cancellation. So in most cases, it causes the bass to sound a little bit more subdued. Now, I don't think it's a huge deal considering that you have access to the EQ, but it is something worth mentioning. These also feature a transparency mode, which is going to turn the ANC off and use the microphones of the headphones to draw in the ambient noises around you so that you can hear what's going on. So this is going to be helpful if you need to have a conversation or if you need to be able to hear an announcement. You can activate that transparency mode and not necessarily have to remove the headphones from your ears. The transparency mode works very well. It sounds very natural and not amplified or boosted like we tend to hear with some other products. Another feature that really blew my mind at this price point is the touch feature of the right ear cup. So if you want to activate the transparency mode or the ANC, all you have to do is take your hand and hold it on the right ear cup for about 2 seconds. This will be super helpful. Say you're walking down the street and someone wants to stop you and maybe ask you a question. You can take your hand, hold it on the right ear cup, activate the transparency mode, and you can then have that conversation. And then whenever you want to go back to your noise cancellation, again, just take your hand, hold it on the ear cup for 2 seconds, and you're good to go. Now let's go ahead and do a microphone test to give you an idea of the call quality. All right, so this is a microphone test of the Soundcore Life Q30 active noise canceling headphones. So this should give you a rough idea as to how you would sound if you use these headphones in a quiet environment. Now let's see how they sound once we add some background noise. Alright, so we got some simulated crowd noise being played on a speaker. So again, this should give you a rough idea as to how you would sound if you have these in a more noisy environment. As always, you guys be the judge. So overall, the Soundcore Life Q30 are a no-brainer in my opinion. A lot of the features and specs that they packed into these headphones at such an affordable price is unbelievable. So again, if you're interested in grabbing a pair, be sure to check out the affiliate links down in the description. It does help support the channel anytime you make purchases directly through the links that I provide. So if that's something you're looking to do, I would greatly appreciate it. Also, if this video was helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, as well as subscribe to the channel. You can also follow me on social media to stay up to date on all the reviews that I'll have coming up. So that's going to be it for this video. As always, I'll see you guys next time.